Welcome everyone to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a traditional red hot salsa. It's with red tomatoes and chiles serranos. And I'm gonna share with you the ingredients of my great grandma's traditional recipe. Okay, for this easy recipe, you're gonna need 2 small tomatoes, which I have already here. I washed the ingredients previously. So I have 2 red tomatoes, small size. I have 9 chiles serranos right here. And you're gonna need half a white onion. And this is optional if you want garlic or not. You're gonna need a tablespoon of salt, a little bit of water, and cooking oil. Right here I'm using vegetable oil. Now let's go to the stove. Let's preheat your stove, medium flame. We're gonna start with the tomatoes because they take longer to get cooked all around. Since they're bigger, it takes longer. Right here, I just removed the tail of the chiles serranos. And you're gonna put everything right here. As well, the onion and garlic. After a few minutes, let's say like 4 or 5 minutes, you can start hearing how they're getting cooked, and you can see that the chiles and the tomatoes, they're sweating. Your kitchen's gonna start smelling amazing and you're not even halfway there. And we're gonna start switching everything to get it well cooked from all around the tomatoes and chiles as well. So this is how everything's gonna look after 15 minutes or so, after you've been flipping every single piece of the tomatoes and chiles, just to make sure that everything's well cooked. And we're gonna put everything now inside of the blender. I always start with the chiles serranos because they are cooked already, and I leave at the end the tomatoes. Right now you're just gonna add a little bit of water, enough water to just cover the blades of the blender. Here's where you add just a little bit of your vegetable oil and your salt. Okay. Once you have everything in the blender, close it and let's turn it on in low setting. Okay, after a minute in the blender, it's ready to go. If you want to take an entree for your next party, forget about the ones that sell in stores. This is a homemade from scratch and it's gonna be amazing for your next party. And let's try it now. Delicious. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and see you on